Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bickerstaff's Atlanta East Auto Auction in Loganville on a Saturday night. Here's the deal. Year-end closeout, dealers don't want to pay that inventory tax, so they're cleaning the lots. We got over 200 strong and counting. A lot of nice trucks. We're a Monday night sale, 2:30 preview, 5 p.m. B lane starts, followed by the A lane at 6 p.m. We're a dealer in public auction, so everyone is welcome. Jefferson sitting right beside me here, AKA the deal maker. Johnny Lee is out tonight. He just had a baby boy named Beckham. We got Robert, Tony's younger brother, hanging out with us tonight. He's giving us a big hand, so glad to have Robert with us. Tiki Bubble Tea Cafe is serving everything from flavored coffee, hot chocolate, pasta, bagels, and who knows what else they're bringing. We're getting excited about the menu. We share our proceeds with K9 Assistance. That's k9assistance.org. They're a great organization. We live stream at 5 p.m. on Atlanta East Auto Auction on YouTube. We're on every social media channel there is. So don't forget to go to the right-hand corner of the screen and hit subscribe, like, and share, comment. We appreciate it. We have an excellent run, high-quality vehicles, and we're excited to tell you about them. We've got Jim Hudson Lexus with overload. We've got Jim Hudson Caddy with overload. We've got Jim Hudson Acura. We've got Colonial GMC Buick. We got Hayward Allen Toyota. We got Maxi Price Chevrolet, Stonecrest Honda, Valley River Chevrolet, Hutchinson Kia Macon, Hutchinson Ford, and don't forget about our great independent Georgia Northside Auto Sales. Mike Mathea's down here tonight doing some excellent camera work for us, so we're excited to have him. We're going to flip over here to the B lane. We've got ALM with over 60, followed by Georgia Northside Auto Sales. Mike's got so many nice cars. He's in both lanes. ALM Ford Marietta, ALM Chevy South, ALM Kia South, ALM Kia Perry, ALM Hyundai West, ALM Hyundai Carrollton, ALM Hyundai Athens, ALM Nissan Noonan, ALM GMC South, ALM Mazda South, and ALM Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Perry. The place to be on Monday night is Atlanta East Auto Auction, Georgia's favorite public auto auction. We're going to see you here.
Come to the East Side where buyers and sellers agree on one price. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in our blazing A and B lanes every Monday night.